You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the Irish name for what is known as the island of Ireland. We'll be looking at how to say more Irish names too. Stay tuned, loads to learn here. In Irish, it is said as Éire, Éire, but in English it's normally referred to as Éire, Éire. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more confusing but very interesting names. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.